Hello friends, welcome to you in 5 minutes solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'll show you that how to lock WhatsApp with fingerprint. Sometimes we need to protect our WhatsApp because our friends, family members, boyfriends or girlfriends or husband wife can take our mobile. On the time, if that person wants to access your WhatsApp, he or she can do it easily, my friends. That's why if you have something personal in your WhatsApp and you want to hide it really, so you can use fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp, my friends. So friends, if you want to know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 minutes solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next notification about more videos on WhatsApp. Friends, for this you have to have fingerprint sensor in your mobile, my friends. Then you have to open your WhatsApp, my friends. After that you have to click on triple dot at the top right corner. Then you have to click on settings. After that you have to click on account. Then you have to click on privacy. Then you have to scroll down, my friend. And here, see my friends, at the end, fingerprint lock. So you have to click on it, my friends. And unlock with fingerprint, right? You have to enable this one, my friend. You have to click on here. Now you have to touch your finger on fingerprint sensor, my friend. So I'm going to touch now, my friends, my finger. And see my friends, unlock with fingerprint is enabled, right? And my friends, here is some option. Automatically lock, right? Immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. So I have selected immediately, my friend. And see my friends, show content in notifications. If you want to enable this one, you can enable, my friend. After that you have to go back, my friends. Friends, now I'll try to open my WhatsApp. And see my friends, fingerprint is asking, right? So I have to give the fingerprint now, my friends, to unlock my WhatsApp, my friends. Now it's unlocked, my friends. So friends, like this you can set your fingerprint in your WhatsApp to protect your account, my friend. Friends, still if you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible, my friends. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 minutes solution. And thank you for watching this video, my friends. Take care.